So this is how the autocomplete works in Google Scholar. I wanted to find out information on entrepreneurship education right here. But then it start to populate all these other options like entrepreneurial orientation, process intention, marketing. But then I'm drawn to entrepreneurial university because it's closely linked to my research project. So I can already start to see books that have been heavily cited. So possibly these have been key writings on that particular subject. So we can start to see that this feature is very useful when a query can be input in several different ways by populating the various possible ways that you can choose to query, and that obviously gives you more flexibility with your query.